In this lecture, we will discuss RISC design rules. Here, RISC design rules are major rules that are related with instruction, pipeline, register, load store architecture. So if we consider instructions, first one is the reduced number of instructions. RISC processor provides limited number of instructions which simplifies the design of control unit. Simple instruction format. RISC processor uses simple instruction format with fixed instruction length. The instruction length is aligned on words boundary. Field locations, especially opcodes, are fixed. This architecture provides following benefits. With fixed fields, opcode decoding and register operand addressing can occur simultaneously. It simplifies the design of control unit. Instruction fetching is optimized since word length units are fetched. Hardwired instructions. This is the second point of design consideration. Third point of design consideration, which is nothing but the hardwired instructions. With simple one cycle instruction, there is no need for micro instructions. The machine instructions can be hardwired. These instructions are executed faster than the instructions implemented with micro instructions, since it is not necessary to access a microprogram control memory during instruction execution. Fourth point of instructions is one instruction per cycle. RISC processor execute one instruction in a single cycle. In a RISC processor, there is an example of one instruction per cycle machine. A machine cycle is defined to be the time it takes to fetch two operands from registers, perform an ALE operation, and stores the result in a register. Due to this, RISC machine instructions are not complicated and can execute about as fast as micro instructions on CISC machines. Second design consideration of RISC processors is pipeline. Recall the concept of pipelining. The CPU contains several independent units that work in parallel. One of them fetches the instruction and other one decode and execute them. At any instant, several instructions are in various stages of the processing. All RISC processors provide the pipelining feature. In a RISC processor, most instructions are register to register. These instructions have the following phases. Instruction phase, execute. The instruction phase fetches the instruction to be executed from memory, and then execute phase perform an ALE operation with register input and output to execute the instructions. In case of load and store instructions, there are three major phases. These phases are instruction phase, execute, and data transfer, where I and E, these are the two processes, they are same. Data transfer, this is the third phase, where in execution phase address of memory is calculated, and in data transfer phase actual data is transferred from register to memory or from memory to register depending upon the instruction. The third design consideration is registers. Register to registers operations are preferred in RISC processor. RISC processor have a large number of general purpose registers, and they use efficient compiler technology to optimize register uses. It is the most important characteristics of RISC processor. This architecture encourages the optimization of register user so that frequently accessed operands remains in a high speed storage. Last design consideration is load store architecture. RISC processor operate on data held in registers. Separate load store instruction transfer data between the register bank and memory, they are available. So here this architecture, it is generally focused on the load store architecture. The advantage is that the use of data items which are held in the register does not need memory access. So in this case, so this reduced instruction set computer design, there are four basic design considerations. First one is the register, second one is pipeline, third one is instruction, pipeline, register, load store architecture. So these are the major design considerations, where in instruction it is reduced, simple, hardwired, one instruction per cycle, and in pipeline there are three major stages, phases: instruction, execute, data transfer. If it is related with the memory transfer, and if it is related with the only internal operation, then there is I and E phase. Then next one is the register and load and store architecture. So these are the design considerations of RISC microprocessor or RISC processor. Thank you.